Hi, I'm Patrick Friesen. I'm the plant scientist here at Biochambers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a multi-day schedule. Right now we're going to make a multi-day schedule. Here we have our single day schedule that we made in the How to Make a Multi-Line and Ramping Schedule video. This schedule aimed to recreate a warm and sunny summer day in upper Midwest North America under elevated CO2 conditions. But let's say we want to change it up and have clear, sunny, warm days followed by cloudy, cooler days, and then transition back to warmer days. And we've realized that watering every day is too much for our soybeans, which are growing in a peat-based potting mix that has a high water holding capacity. To add another day to this schedule, simply go up here to the editor line and enter 2. Day 2. Now we enter the conditions for day 2 that we want to start our day 2 day. Midnight, we're going to have it go to 17 degrees Celsius at 75% RH. We're going to keep our same CO2 conditions of 840 ppm, and we're not going to have the lights come on yet, and we add that entry to our schedule. Next, we go to our next portion of day 2 at 3 a.m. We're going to have it go down to our daily low of 14 degrees Celsius, go up to 85% RH, and so forth. Another way to make a multi-day schedule is to repeat a given entry or schedule line. Here I have the first entry of day 1 selected, and we go here and click Repeat Entry. We'll want to repeat this entry every day, every 1 day, for as many days as you want your multi-day schedule to be. Here we'll do that for 8 days to add 8 days to our 1-day schedule to give us a total of 9 days, making a 9-day multi-day schedule. Now we see this entry for midnight is repeated over 9 days, and we go back and can do this for each of our schedule lines, and this will begin to build the framework for that same schedule. Now, if you want to go in and start to change things, for day 2, for example, you want it to be cooler, and you want to go down to 17 degrees Celsius, 75% RH, let's say, keeping the same CO2. We can do that, and then we overwrite it, and we're done. It's that easy. The final way to edit a long multi-day schedule even more efficiently is to export it into a CSV file, edit it in Excel, and then import it again. I'll show you how to do this in another video. So here we have a 9-day schedule with automatic watering every 3 days on days 1, 4, and 7. It starts with a very warm day and then moves to cooler overcast days and then finally warms up again. After the 9-day schedule is finished, it will start back at day 1 and continue this way. Once you finish your schedule, saved it, and want to run it, this box will pop up. Here, for a multi-day schedule, the numerical day along the left-hand side corresponds to the day of your schedule. If you want the schedule to start running from day 1, enter 1. If you want the schedule to start running from day 4, enter 4. For multi-day schedules, ignore this calendar part on the right here. That's it. You're on your way to making multi-day schedules. Thanks for watching. For more information on how to achieve your plant growth goals, please check out our website.